Good morning, investors and traders. This is Naim Aslam live on our YouTube channel. As always, we'll be talking about equity, Forex, commodities, and of course, crypto markets as well. My name is Naim Aslam. I come with a wealth of 15 years of trading experience, and I work as a chief market analyst for AvaTrade. In today's segment, what we'll be looking at is the markets, especially the indices. So with respect to the Dow Jones, the S&P, and of course, the European indices, and why they are really moving higher, and explore certain opportunities within them. So what we are really looking at in terms of our markets is that this momentum is building up today, because after the long weekend, the US markets were closed yesterday, and that's why it was a long weekend. Traders are back with a little bit of a more optimism based on that two factors. Number one, they believe that, okay, there's going to be plenty of support in terms of a fiscal and monetary policy, because remember, Janet Yellen, who was the former Fed chairwoman, is going to become now the US Treasury sector, has very much confirmed the same stance, the same confirmation of the message what President-elect Joe Biden has said, that we need to spend more. And for investors and traders, that is a very good news, because they know as long as we continue to see that stimulus and monetary policy coming, stock markets are likely to move higher. Now, in terms of stock earnings today, it is more about Goldman Sachs, and then tomorrow it's going to be about Bank of America, JP Morgan, and all of these banks, because remember, we've already heard from Morgan Stanley last week, and the numbers were pretty much dismal, not very good numbers out of these banks. So banking sector overall will very much remain in focus for this particular week. Second important factor is, of course, gold prices. After a massive run yesterday, today we've seen gold traders catching their breath, and then the next biggest challenge is the 50-day simple moving average on the daily time frame. If we break above that, then we could see further moves. Now, in terms of cryptos, Ethereum is very much skyrocketing today, because the move has pushed the price above the 1300 price level. And what we're really experiencing in terms of a movement is that, yes, Ethereum is one of the top currencies out of the top three, and the top three being a Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Ripple, that is really performing quite well today. So keep an eye on that. And of course, this particular momentum can also shift Bitcoin as well. That's all for now, and I'll see you guys same place, same time tomorrow.